Torcetti Biscotti from Piemonte, Italy. This is what we will be preparing today. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home on this beautiful day. Back in 2019, Michela, my husband's assistant, her husband was given a wonderful promotion, Detective Sergeant with Toronto Region. There was a huge celebration in the works. Unfortunately, we had to cancel it because of COVID. Well, we're having it this weekend, and I'm responsible for the sweet table. And the second cookie we will be preparing is Torcetti Biscotti from Piemonte, Italy. Now let's get started. I have here half a cup of warm water. It's at 111 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want it any hotter than this because it will kill your yeast. To the water, I'm going to add a tablespoon of granulated sugar. This is what's going to feed your yeast. I'm just going to give it a quick mix. A teaspoon and a half of active dry yeast. Make sure that your yeast has not expired. I'm going to set this aside now for 10 minutes. My yeast is ready. Look how beautiful. When you see this frothiness, you know it's alive. You're going to need your dough hook for this. I'm going to add the yeast mixture to the mixing bowl. An egg, I'm just going to scramble it before I add it to my yeast mixture. I'm going to start adding the dry ingredients. 4 cups of 00 flour, a tablespoon at a time. I have half a cup of cold water here. I'm just going to add a little bit of it at a time, and then a tablespoon of flour. I'm halfway through. Now I'm going to add a generous pinch of kosher salt. I added an extra tablespoon of cold water because it was just a little bit too dry. Now I'm going to allow the machine to knead the dough for me for 10 minutes. Dough is ready. An absolutely beautiful dough. I'm going to let it rest. I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap and set it in a nice warm place for half an hour. My dough has been rising for half an hour. Now I'm just going to deflate it. I have 1 cup of melted and cooled butter. I'm going to start adding it slowly to the dough. Now that the butter has been incorporated, I'm going to let the machine knead the dough for 15 minutes. When you see your dough like this, you know it's ready. Divide my dough into 2 portions. Plastic wrap the 2 portions of dough in the refrigerator for half an hour. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Started preparing my Torcetti Biscotti. I'm going to make each of them 20 grams. I'm going to make them 5 inches long. Roll it out. To roll them in granulated sugar like this. And on my baking sheet, and I'm going to put them together. This is what the torcetti means, torcetti, and then just squeeze the end. In my preheated oven for 9 minutes or until golden brown. My first batch of Torcetti Biscotti is done, and I'm going to say it, if you can only smell my kitchen. My Torcetti Biscotti came out fantastic. I couldn't be more pleased. They baked between 13 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Absolutely delicious. These are going to fly off the sweet table at this party. This recipe made 60 cookies. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Caterina from my home to yours. Hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao!